This is the loved. I'm currently working on row 57 and I want to show you a little bit of how I crochet. I'm starting with the edges. My edges stay pretty straight because when I get to the end of the row, I take the string always and I put it towards the back like this. So when we're working from the front row, we're always going to have our working string at the back. And right now I have three colors. I have three colors back here. I have the pink, I have the black, and I have the brown. Do 9 across in the pink. 1, 8, and this will be 9. And when I'm going to do my color change, now I'm going to pick up the black. So I'm going to bring the color I just used to the back. And then I'm going to bring the black just like this. You see you have your 2 loops on your last stitch. I'm going to take the black and I'm going to pull it through. And that completes your 9 pinks. And now we're going to go and do 13 single crochets in the black. So I like to just hold the color I'm not working with at the back. And remember, when you're working at the front or the right side of your piece, you're going to keep your working string at the back. So you're working in the front, but your working string is at the back. So we're going to go across for 13 counts. 1, 2, 3, then 13. This is the last stitch. So now I need to pick up the brown. So the brown is right here. Okay, I'm going to bring the other 2 colors to the back, and then I'm going to pull up that brown. I'm going to loop it through. Then I pull on the string a little bit, pull on the yarn a little bit, make it a little bit tight. The colors we're not working with, they're going to stay at the back. And keep those at the back like this. And then we're just going across for 2 with the brown. So I'm going to go under all the colors we're not working with. See? Let's zoom in. So we take our hook, we go under, pull the brown underneath all of them. So that's our first one. We're going to go under. We'll go under this stitch right here. And then we're going to go under these 2 colors. And then we're going to pull up the brown. So then I'm going to grab that black and I'm going to pull it through. Okay, and at 42, we're going to go ahead and pick up that pink. I'm picking up the pink. I'm going to go across for 6. And I'm not going to take the pink and black with me. I'm just going to keep it over there because we don't need it. We don't need to carry it. So I'm just going to take the pink and come across. 1, 5, and 6. So we're going to flip it over. This is what my back's looking like. Okay, and now we're going to be working on the wrong side of the work. So I want to keep my edges straight. So I'm going to bring my yarn to the opposite side. Put that hook back in. So when you're working on the wrong side of the work, your string is in the front. When you're working on the right side of the work, your string will be towards the back, your working string, I should say.